Hello everyone, I'm Soyun Chung from the Korea Institute of Public Administration. Today's lecture is about intelligent public service cases in major countries. In this lecture, AI-used cases in various areas of public administration in the leading countries are introduced. Through these case studies, you can understand how AI is used and have some ideas about using AI in public administration. The first objective of this class is to review the cases of leading countries using AI in various areas of the public sector and understand the effect and the role of the government in using AI. And the last, think about success factors and obstacles to introducing AI in the public sector. This is the structure of this lecture. The first case is estimating the population using satellite imagery in the United Kingdom. Department for International Development in the United Kingdom needed to help developing countries better understand their population distribution. So, DFID applied a random forest machine learning algorithm to a satellite image and microcensus data. The algorithm used this information to predict the population density of an area. The model also used data from microcensuses to validate its output and provide training data for the model. DFID has deployed a program called GRID3 in several African countries, Nigeria, Zambia, Mozambique, and Democratic Republic of Congo. DFID has also conducted scoping missions to Tanzania, Ethiopia, and South Sudan. This is how the GRID3 is working. The second case is chatbot services in Japan. In your textbook, the concept of chatbot and its development stage are explained. Now the government and local governments in Japan focus on robotics process automation called RPA using a chatbot in stage 2 or 3. Minato-gu in Tokyo provided administrative services equipped with chatbot and translation functions. When a foreigner who does not know Japanese asks a question in English, AI finds the necessary information and presents it in English. As questions are accumulated, AI keeps learning the questions. So it is expected that the accuracy of the questions will gradually increase. These are images of civil service guide for foreigners using AI in Minato-gu, Tokyo. AI is also used in recruitment. AI can help automate what has traditionally been manual processes in the human resources realm. AI helps organizations determine the best talent available for a specific role with the analysis using data. It became popular that AI is applied in recruitment in the private sector. With this picture, you can understand how AI is used in recruitment. AI can be applied in candidate search, application management, assessment, interviewing, and selection stages in recruitment. These can be applied to the public sector too. AI is used in forecasting and climate analysis too. NASA in the United States uses the weather satellite GOES-R for its analysis services and forecasting. GOES-R is based on Land Information System model, which has a structure that trains itself with machine learning and presents predicted results. These are the results analyzed by AI with a few kinds of data. This is a presentation picture using AI for forest mapping. The next case is AI-based judge in Estonia. The government of Estonia developed the e-file system. After secure authentication, citizens can submit any kind of case online. The data will be shared between institutions that are linked to the case, and courts can start proceeding with related documents. Courts also can send documents to the citizens through the e-file system. AI using case in Singapore is intelligent transportation system. There is a trial of using self-driving cars for taxis in Singapore, even though currently taxis have drivers just in case of emergency. This is ITS vision for Singapore. The Singaporean government is now attempting to apply AI to public transportation for the smart nation. There are also several transportation services using AI in Singapore. These transportation services make people more convenient and safe. In this class, we have reviewed several cases in public administration using AI. We can also match the public service cases using AI with what we have studied in Module 1-2, Intelligence Government Areas. As you can see in the summary, estimating the population using satellite imagery case in the United Kingdom is in Policy Intelligence. Chatbot services in Japan is in GovTech. AI-based recruitment in the United States is in Policy Intelligence. NASA Climate Change Prediction Service in the United States is also in Policy Intelligence. AI-based judge in Estonia is in GovBot. Intelligent Transportation Services in Singapore is in GovTech. Thank you very much for listening. See you next time.